today in this video we will learn about the style attribute in HTML. So basically, why do we use this style element? Actually, we use this style element to have the CSS in our HTML file. So what is CSS? So as we are learning HTML, so CSS is like an HTML coding. CSS is used to format your text as per your requirement. For example, you need to change the color of the text, you need to change the font, you need to change the background color, or any other formatting you would like to have on your text or on your content. So we use the CSS. So there are multiple ways to use the CSS. Either you can use in the existing HTML file, or you can create your own CSS file and you can link that CSS file to your uh, HTML file. So in our further videos, we will learn that what are different type of CSS. So currently we are talking about the inline CSS where we can use the style tag in any of the tag. Like for example, if I want to have the style in this tag, or I can use either in header tag, paragraph text. So we can use styling in any of the tags, and any data contains in that tag will show the formatting as per the styling we use. So for example, if we want to change the color of this is the paragraph with line break, let me show you the color. So currently we can see that there is black color. Now if you want to change into blue color, so you just need to copy this style and then equal to, then inverted commas, and then the color, and then after the semicolon we will provide that which type of color we want to have, and then we can use the semicolon and then save. So once we save this and refresh the page, so we can see now the text is in blue color. So this is the way you can use your styling in your HTML files. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us for more videos.